Welcome! I will show you how to create the graph that's showing on your screen using Figma. Let's open our Figma, go to the frame, and choose any frame of your choice. Now, create a circle and add a stroke. Edit the stroke by clicking on these dotted lines. Change the style to dash. Set the dash to 1.3 and set the gap to 35. Be creative and play with this. Change the background to white. Create another circle, add a stroke to it, and set it to your preferred size. Before we continue, please like the video and subscribe or follow if you find this video helpful. Thank you. Now, change the stroke color to gradient and set it to angular. Rotate it to your preferred size and change the colors. Drag it under the first circle and make it larger than the first circle. Then add number at the center. That is it. As you can see, we have created the graph. Please be creative enough to make your own changes and play with it. See you next time. From Blessed Super Tech.